Wait, Dad, they have a counter right
Engrossed in this scary puppet show. That one's slapping that one in the face. The use of puppets. Actually, yeah, that character's actually hitting that character in the face because she's got a black and blue mark on her face. Yeah, she does. Look, she's got a black and blue mark on her face.
Oh my God, she does.
This guy's got a broken leg.
Where are we going, Eddie?
That's creepy.
It is pretty creepy. There's like a mean witch in the background. Puppet Abuse Theater. Did you say how long is this going to take?
No.
I thought you said how long is this going to take? There's no music. Oh man, and this one over here is just completely like dilapidated. No, there's like a cat over here falling apart. It's just barely clinging on to life. I don't know what that is. It's like a...
And Dad, no, this guy, look.
What's that, a cricket?
Oh my God, the poor lady right there. Look, and there's a witch hitting her with a grill.
Yeah, she's getting hit by the witch and slapped by this kid that's not even paying attention to slapping her. Oh.
Finally,
Well, that was definitely worth a quarter.